Two drivers, same city, same road. Same work hours, asterisk, but one takes home $900 a week, while the other counts $2,300 in the same time. Asterisk, both drive small commercial trucks, just different types. Asterisk, so who really earns more, the Sprinter van or the box truck? Asterisk, today, we break it down with numbers, reality, and truth. Asterisk, welcome back to the channel, where we decode trucking, delivery, logistics, and real earning potential in the U.S. transportation industry. Asterisk, whether you're planning to start a small trucking business, looking for a new opportunity, or confused between Sprinter versus box truck, this video is your clear roadmap. Asterisk, every day in America, groceries, medicine, electronics, Amazon packages, furniture, everything must move. Asterisk, and 80% of this everyday movement does not require big 18-wheelers. Asterisk, it requires smaller, faster, smarter commercial vehicles, the same two we're discussing today. But beginners often make one costly mistake. They buy a vehicle without knowing which one brings more money long-term. Asterisk, so don't skip, because at the end of this video, you will know exactly which one fits you and which one fills your bank account faster. Let's start the breakdown. Asterisk, a Sprinter van is a lightweight commercial cargo vehicle, fast, flexible, and perfect for city deliveries. Asterisk, think of medical supplies, e-commerce shipments, urgent documents, small pallet deliveries. This van shines in speed and accessibility. Asterisk, you don't need a CDL to drive a Sprinter, and fuel efficiency is one of its biggest strengths. Asterisk, most owners operate it solo, load quickly, unload fast, and manage multiple stops daily. Asterisk, beginner-friendly, low startup, easy to drive. Asterisk, but small space also means limited earnings, and that is where the comparison begins. Asterisk, a box truck is a larger rectangular freight vehicle with high cargo volume and power. Asterisk, where a Sprinter delivers parcels, a box truck can move furniture, appliances, restaurant equipment, heavy pallets, or even mini household moves. Asterisk, it demands more skill, more responsibility, and slightly higher maintenance, but also opens the door to bigger paying loads where Sprinter is fast money at small scale. Box truck is slow and heavy but pays like a king when handled right. A Sprinter is like entering business with fewer risks. Asterisk, a used Sprinter is cheaper, easier to repair, consumes less diesel, and insurance is manageable even for beginners. Asterisk, a box truck requires a stronger financial base, higher purchase price, bigger tires, more engine load, more oil. Consumption breaks more costly. Asterisk, now imagine I ask you, asterisk, would you invest more upfront if it could return double profit every month? Keep this question in mind because the answer becomes clear when we see the numbers. Sprinter vans usually carry 800 to 3,500 pounds depending on the model. Asterisk, perfect for parcels, fragile goods, express deliveries, low weight, high speed. Asterisk, box trucks begin around 7,000 pounds capacity, more than double. Asterisk, more space means multiple pallets, heavier commercial goods, moving furniture, even small business relocations. This capacity difference decides earning power. You cannot load a Sprinter with a refrigerator set or 12 stacked pallets, but a box truck owner can. Asterisk, Sprinter equals smaller, faster income. Asterisk, box truck equals heavier loads, heavier payouts. But real decision comes only when we talk about earnings. Here is the part you were waiting for. Sprinter van earnings, low season, $700, $1,200 week. Asterisk, average, $1,200, $1,800 week. Asterisk, good lanes or urgent medical, $2,000 plus week. Box truck earnings, low season, $1,400, $2,000 week. Asterisk, average, $2,200, $3,200 week. Asterisk, peak lanes, long haul plus contracts, $3,500, $5,000 week. Asterisk, see the gap. Sprinter gives consistent weekly income but has a glass ceiling. Box truck, if used smartly, breaks that ceiling and goes higher, especially when connected with brokers, load boards, or direct contracts. Fuel cost is higher, yes. Maintenance is higher, yes. But so is profit. And now the real story begins. Asterisk, let's imagine two drivers. Fino Sprinter owner, he works 5 days a week delivering medical lab samples and e-commerce packages. Asterisk, fuel is light. Jobs are easy. City access is smooth. Asterisk, his weekly earnings stay around $1,400, $1,900. Asterisk, monthly $5,000, $7,000, decent income. Less stress, Gower box truck owner. He handles appliance store deliveries, commercial pallets, and industrial equipment. Asterisk longer routes. Heavier responsibility, but better pay. Asterisk a good week brings $2,500, $3,200 plus asterisk monthly. $8,000, $12,000, sometimes more in peak season. Asterisk Fenno. Earns peace. Gower earns power. One works with speed, the other works with strength. Which life matches you? If we talk pure earnings, box truck wins. Asterisk because higher volume equals higher rates. Heavier freight equals bigger invoices. More capacity equals more opportunity. Asterisk but if your budget is tight, you're new. You want to learn the industry with lower risk. Sprinter van is a smart start. The real answer is not, which vehicle is bigger? Asterisk. The real answer is which vehicle fits your ambition and your pocket. Asterisk Sprinter equals low cost. Fast start, limited but stable income. Asterisk box truck equals higher investment. Higher stress but higher return. You decide. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more deep comparison videos like Hotshot versus box truck or how to get direct shipper contracts, hit the like button and drop a comment. Asterisk, Sprinter, or box truck, what would you choose? Your decision might inspire someone else. Make sure to subscribe because next videos will reveal best earning states, best load boards, dispatch strategies, and how one truck can turn into a fleet. Remember, the right truck doesn't make money, the right driver does. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Asterisk.